Your Bungalow programs check your subscription status about once a week. And once they check, you've got about a week before you'll need to have internet access, because when it checks, it needs internet access. So if you're using the programs every day, and let's say on Monday you had internet access and it confirmed your subscription, then you're going to be good for about another week. But if you don't know when it checked last, you don't know if you've got a full 7 days. So if you think you're not going to have internet access for several days, maybe a week, maybe you're going on a trip or you're just using it at places without internet access, you can force any of the programs to check your subscription, and that restarts your clock. So you've got about seven or 8 days before you're going to need internet access. And I'm going to show you how to force a program to check the subscription. And you just need to do this with one program, and it's going to reset your subscription timer for all of your programs. You only have to do this in one program. So you open one of the programs. I'm opening a Aphasia Tutor 1 here. And then you go up to Help, Info about this program. And at the very bottom, there's a Renew Subscription Now. So it's going to contact the internet server and verify your subscription. So we're going to do that. You'll see it contacted and immediately verified it. So now you're good for about another week. And that's how you force it to verify your subscription. And again, you only need to do that with one program. And all the other ones will recognize that same updated subscription status, and you're good for about another week. Thanks.